everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jasmine. I make lifestyle and beauty videos. If you're returning, welcome as well. Thank you so much for your love and support. I truly do appreciate it. Well, to start off, happy Easter. I know when I upload this video it's going to be Sunday, so happy Easter to everyone. Hope you enjoy this day with your loved ones. I know because of the situation it's not the ideal Easter that we obviously all want, but I still hope that everyone has a really good day with their close ones and their loved ones. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my March favorites. It's going to round from makeup to skincare to hair care, and these are just some products that have worked really good with my hair and with my skin, so I wanted to share that with you today. So if you're interested, go ahead and just keep on watching. Okay, so to start off, I'm going to start off with makeup, and then we'll do skincare, and then we'll do hair care. So the first one is a foundation, which is the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage, which looks like this. I am in the shade 220. This has been my ultimate favorite foundation for the whole month of March, honestly. It works really good with my skin. It is a full coverage foundation. It wears up to 24 hours. It's seamless matte finish. It's breathable and comfortable. It's fade and transfer resistant. Doesn't clog pores at all. So that's one of the things that I really like. It is a full coverage foundation. 100% agree with that. Like if you have texture skin, if you have redness, this is honestly going to cover up all those imperfections and give you like that really matte finish. If you do have like dry skin, I wouldn't really recommend this one because it does finish in a very matte finish. So you're gonna have to have something hydrating, maybe a primer underneath if you really want to use it. But honestly, I recommend this one for either combo or oily skin. It does last all day. I think I wore it so many times. There was one time when I went to the fair and I wore this one and it lasted me all day throughout the sun. So definitely recommend this one. And then I picked up this primer, which is the Catrice long lasting primer. So I'll go ahead and use this one before I apply foundation, and then I'll also use it to set my home makeup. This one has really been my all-time favorite. It really just prepares my skin before putting on that foundation, and it's lightweight, and the one thing I like is that it's really quick with drying, so I don't have to like keep fanning it so it can dry. The thing that I like is that it gives my makeup like a perfect, really pretty finish to it after I've already set it. So I highly recommend this one, and it's also not that expensive. So for the last set of like makeup that I've been using is my favorite lip combo, which is actually the one that I'm wearing right now. This has been like my go-to lip combo. Like for any look, I've been going with this one. So the first thing that I use is the Milani Color Statement Lip Liner, which is in the shade 04, which looks like this. So I'll go ahead and outline my lips with this one right here, and it's just like a really pretty nude brownish color. As you can see here, it's a very like nude brownish color. So I'll go ahead and outline my lips with this one, and then I'll go in with my ColourPop Lippie Stick in the shade Cookie, which looks like this. So this is also like a really pretty nude color too. That's how it looks on my skin. So the first one was the lip liner and the second one is the ColourPop. So I really like these two colors together. And then just to kind of go ahead and give it a shine, I'll go in with my Essence Shine Wet Look Lip Gloss, which looks like this. Go ahead and add this one to it. It also does plump your lips, so it has like that plumping effect to it, which I personally really like. It's not sticky, so it's not going to be like those lip gloss that when you're like setting it on your lip it's gonna feel sticky. It's non-sticky at all, so you don't have to worry about that. This is like, these three right here are my go-to combo. Highly recommend it, and they're also very inexpensive. So moving on to skincare. So I have been working on my skin for over, I want to say like 1.5 to 2 years already, like really focusing on my skin, just because I got to a point where it was really bad and I had a lot of acne and I had a lot of texture on my skin and a lot of like acne scars, and I was like just so insecure about it. And the more I try to apply makeup, the more the worse it looked, just because in order for your makeup to look really good you have to have like really good skin. So I started to invest in just like all these skincare products and trying to see like what works with my skin, because as you all know, like not everything works with the skin that you have. So you have to go ahead and do like some testing and see like if it works or if it doesn't work. So one thing that I have been using since I started my skincare journey is the Muddy Body Detox Clay Mask, which looks like this. So this is the first bottle that I bought from them. Muddy Body is a cruelty-free and vegan. It's natural and organic. That's one of the things that I really enjoy from this company, and it's also not that expensive either. So I have been using this mask. All you do is basically add a little bit to a bowl, and then you go ahead and add some water, and that makes a mask there right there. So what this is, I'm gonna go ahead, I have it on my phone so I can read off exactly what it is. So it's packed with 9 natural skin nourishing ingredients. So our detox clay mask includes the healing powers of Dead Sea clay charcoal, a natural magnet for toxins, and the hydrating and toning benefit of witch hazel. This mask is powerful enough to draw out impurities, but gentle enough to restore moisture and awaken fatigued skin for an everlasting glow, which I 100% believe in this one. This one helped me like really get rid of my acne on my skin. I didn't get as many pimples as often because of this. And every time I have this mask on, like you're able to see the impurities that are really like coming out of your skin. Like it really deep cleans your skin so much, and for me like it's satisfying to see like all those things coming out. So some of the key benefits of this one is that it draws out bacteria, toxins, dirt, acne, blackhead fighting ingredients, repairs skin cells, and promotes a healthy cell growth, reducing pore size, which I 100% agree. One of the things that I'm struggling right now is with my pores. Like I'll do pore strips, I'll do the mask and everything, and nothing seemed to be working. This is the only thing that has really like made my pores just a lot smaller. So this one, like I said, I've been using it already for a while, so I already know this one works. So after I was kind of happy with how my skin was as far as like acne, I didn't have that much acne anymore, I went in and bought the Muddy Body Relax Clay Mask, which looks like this one. So it's time to unwind, you deserve it. Do it right with our Relax Clay Mask, which is crafted with a blend of chamomile, lavender, essential natural oils to soften and hydrate the skin, leaving a youthful glow and a fresh floral scent. By soothing, cleansing, and moisturizing, this mask is formulated to improve your skin tone and texture. The skin perfecting secret lies in our unique blend of purifying French pink clay, transformative natural roots, and restorative flowers. So that's mainly the reason why I got this one, was because of my acne scars and the texture that I have on my skin. So because of all the acne that I had a lot of acne scars, especially around my cheek area. Those are the 2 places that like really I have a lot of acne scars. So I picked up this one in the beginning of March. I've been using it for a whole month, and it honestly has worked so good on my skin. Like I've seen such a big difference with my acne scars. Like they've honestly like reduced itself, and it honestly, I can honestly say it works really good. So some of the key benefits is that it reduces scars and discoloration, it restores skin tone and texture, it reduces redness and inflammation, and it prevents wrinkles and fine lines. So if you're looking for something, if you're struggling with acne scars, or you're struggling with texture or wrinkles or anything like that, highly recommend this mask right here. If you are interested in these 2, I do have a discount code, which is JazzBarista03. I'll go ahead and leave it down in the description box for you guys, so you guys can get some money off on these ones. After I do like the mask, I usually like going with a hydrating like mask as well, to kind of give moisture back into my skin, or I feel like my skin isn't really hydrating as much. I'll go ahead and use my Mask Bar Pink Jelly Sheet Mask, which looks like this. So I picked this one up from Target. Honestly, I'd never used it, but I honestly fell in love with this mask right here. After you use this, your skin is gonna be so hydrating. Like after I took off the mask, I was honestly so surprised on how much moisture like my skin got. So the back of it says that this pink jelly mask contains grapefruit extract and watermelon extract that helps to deeply hydrate the skin and provides a boost to get that instant glow, which I 100% agree with this one. As soon as you take it off, you're gonna see like your skin glow so much, and you're gonna see like so much of the hydrating on your skin. So highly recommend this one. So another one of my favorites, it's CeraVe Foaming Facial Cleanser for normal to oily skin. So I have been using this cleanser all the month for the whole month of March, and I've seen such a big difference. Like I said before, I have I have combo skin, so my T-zone is really oily, but the rest of my skin is it's fine. So I've been using this one, and this has helped so much control like my oils, especially in like my forehead. And this cleanser cleanses and removes oil without disrupting the protective skin barrier, and it has 3 essentials. This removes oil without disrupting the protective skin barrier. So I highly recommend this if you do have oily skin, because this is really going to help control your oils on your face, and you're going to see just a major difference when you're putting on your makeup. I have been using this Vanity Planet, which looks like this from the inside. So it has 3 different brush heads. So I got this actually from, I think it was like TJ Maxx or Marshalls. I didn't get it from the actual like store, Vanity Planet. I believe this one's like an older one that they used to have. But I picked it up at TJ Maxx. So I absolutely love this. I've seen such a big difference when I'm using it. I use it in the morning, and then I go ahead and use it at night before going to bed. And I'll usually use this brush head and this one. The middle one is mostly if you have like really sensitive skin, so it's a lot more softer. But I'll exfoliate with this one, and then I'll do like my regular like cleansing with this one. And this is a 2-speed brush that gently cleanses and exfoliates your complexion to help reveal your skin's natural glow. With 3 attachable brush heads, daily cleansing facial brush, an exfoliating facial brush, and a silicone facial brush, this skincare wonder takes care of all your needs, keeping your face clean and healthy. Plus, it comes in with an awesome travel case for easy storage on the go. With 2-speed settings, you can use the lower speed for gentle, everyday cleanse, or the higher speed for a deep exfoliation. Get ready to set up your beauty game. Every time I finish using this, I feel like my skin is really honestly clean. I used to just use like my hands, like my fingers, to cleanse my face, but I kind of felt like I wasn't really getting into my skin, and this one really helps me get all that dirt and the oil that is on my skin throughout the day, and just let me have like a really clean skin for the rest of the day, and then before going to bed as well. So I highly recommend this. I would say check this one out at TJ Maxx or Marshalls when they obviously do open up, because I got it for a lot more cheaper. I think I got it for like $15, because on the Vanity Planet it is going to be obviously a lot more expensive. I know they do have a newer one though. This is like the old one. Like I said, they do have a newer one. If you are interested in that one though, I do have a discount code. I'll go ahead and put it right up here, and then also in the description box. But this has been my ultimate favorite, 100%. I've also been using the Bio Oil skincare oil, which looks like this. So I picked this one up from Target. One of my friends actually recommended this one. She said she's heard a lot about this, and basically what this is, it's a skincare oil that's supposed to be helping with stretch marks, and it's also helping with acne scars. I mostly use it for the acne scars portion. If you are pregnant, you can definitely use this. I heard a lot of good things about this one as well. Treat your skin to the nourishing moisture of the Bio Oil Specialist Skincare Treatment. This oil is full of antioxidants and vitamins to regenerate cells, moisture skin, and help prevent and treat stretch marks and scars. It is the go-to product to prevent pregnancy stretch marks. Bio Oil leaves your skin supple, soft, and glowing for your confidence in your own skin. Basically, the reason why I got it is because it helps to improve the appearance of scars and stretch marks and uneven skin tone, which I feel like this has really helped me with my acne scars, as well as like the mask that I told you guys about. These 2 products together work really good, and I've seen like my acne scars like minimize so much compared to me not using it before. And as you can see, like I still have a lot left. Like you don't need that much, so it does last you a long time. And I believe this one was $4.99, so it wasn't as expensive. There is like a bigger bottle if you're going to be using more, but I just got the small one just because like I wanted to test it out first. And as you can see, like I haven't even used that much from it either. So moving on to the hair care. So I have been trying to grow out my hair for a year now. I cut my hair back in, I want to say March. I'll insert a picture if I'm able to find it, and I'll put it somewhere up here. But I had my hair up to like maybe like my chin area, and it's grown a lot more. Right now I have it curled, so obviously it scrunches up a lot more, but it's grown a lot more, and I haven't put any heat on it. As well, I've put in some heat, but I haven't put in as much heat. I haven't curled my hair as often. I haven't straightened my hair as often. Like, I really try to limit myself from damaging it a lot more. But some of the things that I did change is my shampoo. So one of the things that I've been really loving and that I got last month is the Redken Fifth Avenue NYC All Soft shampoo and conditioner, which they look like this. So one of my friends actually recommended this. She said that it's really, really good for your hair and it's gonna help it a lot more than any other shampoo. So I'll go ahead and use the shampoo, and then I'll go ahead and use the conditioner. And basically I'm gonna go ahead and read it just from the back. This is this cleanse, restore, and softens dry, brittle hair with the complete All Soft Care System. All Soft shampoo includes Redken's exclusive RCT protein complex to treat hair from the root to the core to the tip. Our All Soft Care system with omega-6 enriched argan oil nourishes for intense softness. Hair is silky soft with increased and manageable supplence and shine. After I used this first time, my hair looks so healthy and so shiny. So I was really, really happy that it made my hair look really, really good. And so I kept using it. I don't wash my hair every single day. I wash it maybe every 3 days. So I'll go ahead and use this one when I'm shampooing my hair. And these two have made such a big difference on my hair. I feel like it's a lot more softer, it's a lot more shinier, and it looks just a lot more healthier. They are pretty pricey, but I know Ulta always has like sales sometimes, so definitely keep an eye out for that. But if you do have like the money and like you're able to spend on this one and you want to, highly recommend these two shampoos because they work amazing. Something else as far as hair, I have using the Muddy Body Perfecting Hair Mask, which looks like this. So this is another thing that I really like to do. Go ahead and apply this before hopping into the shower. I'll leave it on for about an hour or two if I'm able to do it. You can leave it up to 10 to 15 minutes, that's fine, but I like leaving it longer so it can really you know, nourish my hair. So this is a nutrient and vitamin dense hair mask. Is ultra hydrating, supports hair growth, and repairs each delicate strand all at once. With the powerful combination of hydrating argan and coconut oil and nurturing lavender oil, this mask polishes and restores elasticity, leaving your hair smooth, shiny, and beautiful. So the way you use this is that you can use it on dry hair and just kind of apply it all over your hair from the root to the ends, or you can use it on like damp hair as well. It comes in this little package, and then you just kind of squeeze out the formula from in here. Honestly, I've used it about 4 times now, so I use it once a week. I use it every day. I just use it once a week, and it has helped my hair so much. After I finish using this one, I honestly see my hair a lot more softer, and it's a lot more shinier as well. And one thing I really like is that it promotes hair growth, which is something that I'm wanting right now that I'm trying to have my hair grow as much as possible. So I highly recommend this one if you haven't tried it out and if you're looking for a hair mask. So that basically completes all of my March favorites. I know it was like a couple of them that I had, so I really hope that you enjoyed this whole video, and I really hope that you go ahead and try these out. Go ahead and let me know in the comments down below what your March favorites are. I would love to try them out. So don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe down below. I know we are super close to 500 beautiful friends that I have here on YouTube. I know that once we reach 500 friends, I will be doing a giveaway. It's either going to be a gift card of the winner's choice, or I'm going to go ahead and try and make like a little basket of something. So don't forget to subscribe down below to be part of my journey here on YouTube. Don't forget to hit that post notification button to be notified every time I post a new video. Bye guys!